Hello everybody, Keith here again. I've got some repotting to do today. This one could be quite an interesting one. It's my first Paph. It's Paphiopedilum American Hybrid, which apparently is sometimes known as the bulldog Paph. And I don't know how well you can see it, but it's absolutely rammed full of roots, and they're starting to come out through the holes that are made in the side of this pot, and they're hairy. And where this one was, when I got it out of its sleeve that I used to keep it in, it was actually stuck. And the trouble is now I've got to try and get it out and hope that it hasn't actually stuck to this. Really good. Well, that's a good start. I think that this is going to want potting up. I mean, it's been in this bark a very long time. Probably getting on for a couple of years. So some of these roots are not likely to be ever so good. But I can see root tips on there. So I think there's a fair chance we're going to have a decent root system when I've got all this lot down. I mean, that's bark and perlite basically, is that? I'm sure I've repotted this once, but it's a very, very long time ago. But it's a super plant. This is. It's a doggle to grow. It may not have the greatest of flowers on it, and it's perhaps not the purist's Paph. I know that there are some folks that don't like it, but I think if you get the chance to get one of these, if you're not experienced with keeping Paphs, then you're not going to go very far wrong. If you can keep Phalaenopsis, you can keep this. This just sits on our kitchen windowsill, facing north-west, just in the one corner, minding its own business. It gets watered pretty much once a week, and you can see what these roots are like. You know, I don't know how good all of them are. Some of them don't feel that great, but most of them I think are going to be alright. Most of them are going to be alright. I say some of them aren't, but that's no great surprise, because I've had this 3 or 4 years. I think I bought it at Kew. We went one year for their Orchid Festival, not very long after I'd started to keep orchids, this was something different. They had lots and lots of phals for sale, of course, in their plant centre. But they had one of these as well, or some of these as well. I decided on that to be a little bit different. My first venture into something that wasn't a phal, as I say. It's never let me down. It's quite vigorous. It flowered on 3 fans last year. It's got more fans this year, but it only flowered on 1, so whether some of them are blind, some of them are just waiting for the right opportunity, I don't know. But I think that is looking pretty good, and we've got roots there coming off a new fan, so it's not a bad time to do it. And I'm not going to try and put it back in there. I bought, in anticipation. I did actually buy that was a 16 centimetre pot, and that's an 18.5 centimetre pot, and I think that's got to be better for it. Give it a little bit more room to work with, because you know if it's going to put out roots like that, then we're going to need some room. Now, what I've got to do now is rinse it under the tap and trim the roots. Well, you've seen plenty of those from me and other people, so I don't really need to film that. So I'll come back later on and we'll have a look at actually trying to pot it up. Okay, back again. I've trimmed it. The great majority of the roots that weren't very good were right from under the middle of the plant, where the oldest parts are. And of course, being a Paphiopedilum, it grows from new fans, and once it's flowered, the older fans will die off. And since all the bad roots, or almost virtually all of the bad roots came from there, I think we're okay as far as that goes. Now I'm going to use a coarse bark for this, just bark, no need for moss or anything like that. It's Orchid Focus bark mix, which I like and I've used successfully with thicker rooted orchids before. Now I can't do other than centre this, because it's growing from both ends of the rhizome, which is obviously good. And I need to make sure it's all in there without too much a muddle. But I'm trying to keep it upright in the pot and somewhere in the middle. I'm going to absolutely pray I can still do it on one of the windowsills, because that's where it's been and that's where it's been obviously very happy. So what I don't want to end up with is drastically changing the conditions that it lives in, and risk putting it somewhere that it won't thrive. But I think it was ready for doing, without a shadow of a doubt, with the amount of roots it had got in it. So it'll be interesting to see how it does. I mean, some plants seem to stall, and you put them in a new medium and they'll sit there and not do anything and try and get used to the new conditions, and you might have got it wrong, and I've done that a few times lately, unfortunately, and you think you've got away with it, and all of a sudden the plants start going backwards. And I've had that with my Nellie Isla, and it would appear that I've done it with my promenades. I've completely misinterpreted the way they want to be in both cases. So I like to do a very rapid repot, if you know what I mean. Now that is starting to look better. It's quite firm, there's not too much root sticking out the top, because it's, at least now it's got room for roots to go down. I think they're being kept high. Because the plant was absolutely rammed full in the old pot, and I think it was ready for a good old-fashioned look at, more than ready. But anyway, that's that one done. hopefully that'll be it for another couple of years. So that's another repotting video done. See you soon. Bye.